It is shitty. It's so bad.
We got Amy.
Yo, Amy.
Amy, ready up.
Fucking ready up, Amy.
Hurry up.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my god.
Single fucking daily play.
Hey, Humble Farmer, ready up.
Fucking
Ready up. Humble Farmer, ready up. Motherfucker, ready up. Leatherface, ready up. Why the fuck are y'all not readying up?
Piss them off a little bit, you know?
Y'all like gay.
Oh yeah. Get a hand. Very handsy.
Survivor.
This game fucking sucks.
Now I'm ready.
Oh, now you're ready.
Oh my god, really? You haven't fucking played!
Michael, chill.
Chill. Fuck you.
Mark, ready up.
You and my mom, bitch.
You're right, I'm your daddy.
Fucking trolls. Can't troll me. Troll proof, damn it.
I'm your daddy.
How?
'Cause I'm Leland. And you're
That's
Anna, so
fun.
get fucked.
That makes
Wait, Johnny said the military made him troll proof.
Yep.
Hell yeah, I'm troll proof. Can't do that to me. Pissy words, they mean nothing, okay? Absolutely nothing.
How is not one person? Hey, you three.
Sucks.
Hey, you three.
Damn, bro, y'all lacking on the survivor. Y'all got one more friend at least?
Yeah, Dust this jet. Ready up. Ready. Yes. Finally.
A miracle.
The search continues in the county for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of
Don't be letting me see you run, dog. Don't be running.
recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no
I mean, I can make Cook a runner. Really want me. Trying to collect all the blood and level his ass up fast.
Oh, is that the
Grandpa.
tank gone? Oh, nice.
No, it's not the tank.
Oh, that's not
The,
the tank?
Nuh-uh. And's the tank.
Which one is that?
It ain't Connie. What's the other chick?
Yeah, I know it's not Connie, too. It's definitely the other one, whoever that one is.
I think she's the one that's like really sneaky. Is that Connie is sneaky?
Connie's the one that can, like, open shit hella quick. See those bones going off over there? Yeah, I'm already on one.
Doing my rounds, collecting as much blood as I can. Gotta level up Grandpa.
Get Grandpa right. We gonna have fun tonight.
Alright. Wake up, big dog. Wake up. Alright, we got level 1. Alright, I want to go back to the area that I was just in. I'm gonna lock some doors back. Damn.
Alright, one just went up the stairs at the car part storage. I just seen him go up.
The next to the compound area?
Yeah, and yeah, now he's out back in the workshop. It's Sunny. The chicken coop is going off about him. I'm on his ass. And there's another one right here.
Are they in that far back area that I was talking about?
That workshop area, I don't know. I went on to another one. I'm staying down here where I know there's more of them.
Okay, I'm at the car. Yeah. Alright, two. Okay, I see them over. Damn, I ran too far out. That's I'm on the exterior. I ran way too far.
Oh, I think I'm onto one. Yep, I am. Right there. I don't even know how they're escaping.
I don't either. They're upstairs somewhere though. I guess in the compound area. There's one over here.
Yeah, there's one that keeps shooting me out down here too. So hard with leather.
Oh, they're in the tussle right now. Okay. There's one up top. Come on in there. Damn, they just walked right out.
They walked right out the front door.
I don't think it's the front door, but it's over here where the other guy, Johnny's at. Can I lock this?
Guess I'll go check and see.
Yeah, I
Our
think one's on-
generator's
Got
good.
out.
Let's be the car better.
They were like getting these fuses. Sissies at. Down.
Yeah, they got off this easy ass way back here. That's crazy.
Where were they escaping from?
The back, the car battery. They just turned the battery off and opened the gate.
It's about the spot that I just left.
Oh, over here where I just left with Sissy.
Oh, okay, I see the last. Down.
Where's the last one?
He's downstairs.
Underground? Okay, I'm going back under.
He's in like the house hallway down, or the house basement.
Oh, that's where I'm at. I just opened the door. Oh, over here, I see the bone movement.
Oh, okay, I see him. I locked the door on him. He knocked me down. Running back out.
Back over there? Okay, I'm coming back.
Yeah. Running
I
back
see, I
upstairs.
see.
Hey, at least we got the last one.
Let me go check on this food.
Oh yeah.